Welcome to experiment number 7. Let us solve a stepped bar case. To find stress strain deformation for this given case, it is a stepped bar mild steel material. Length of step is 0.2 and 0.1 meters. Cross sectional area mentioned. Poisson's ratio mentioned. Then if you represent this into a finite element model, we will be representing it as a 2-element geometry. The load is given, axial load is mentioned. Let us solve this in pattern. Open pattern, open a new file, open the folder, give the proper naming, ensure that it is within the path. Exercise 7. It's a structural analysis. Yes, here is a difference compared to earlier cases. Earlier we were starting with geometry. But here, since it is modeled as a finite element, we can directly start with meshing. To create mesh, we should have geometry. But here, we are creating elements, we should have nodes. So, node, current node location list 0, 0, 0. That is the first node location. Apply. You can see probably this. Second node it is asking. Second node is at a distance of 0.2 meters. 0.2 meters along x direction. So 0.2, apply. To observe the nodes, you can select again label, all label. So you can see node 1 and node 2 are created. Now node 3, we need to create node 3. Distance is 0.3. Distance is 0.3. So make it 0.3. Apply. Okay. Now 3 nodes are created. Now let us create element using this. Element. It's a bar element. We'll be going with bar element. So node select. You can keep the auto execute on and you can just select node 1, node 2. Node 2, node 3. So automatically, otherwise you need to check this, remove this check mark, click on node 1 here, at node 2 location select this, apply. That is also works. Now element has been created. Material properties, isotropic, mild steel material it is. If there are two materials, you need to create 2 materials. Elastic modulus is 210E9 meters are substituted, 0.027 Poisson's ratio. Other things are not necessary. Apply. Now there is a change. It's not beam now. It is a rod. I should select. It's a bar, so I should select rod. Just give a name here. Geometry. Material is mild steel. Area of cross section 0.009 meter square. Okay. Select application region. It is first element. So here there is small change again. I should select this one, beam element. Make this selection, then bring the cursor, select element 1, add, OK, apply. So element 1 is set. Geometry 2 I will give. Input properties, area is different. Mild steel material it is again, no change. Select second element, add, OK, apply. So geometry 2 is created. Now loads and boundary conditions. Displacement I need to fix. Constraint. It is a cantilever condition. At node 1 we have all 6 degrees restricted. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Select application region. FM. Select node 1. Apply. Then there is one load here at free end, 100 newtons or kilonewtons. 100 kilonewton I suppose. let me mention F for P or whatever it is. Along X direction we have some load, so that we need to 100 newtons. Okay, it's too less, but still input data positive X direction 100 newtons, 0, 0. Okay, select application region, select the node 3, add, okay, apply. So 100 newtons is applied at free end. Okay, now analysis procedure is same. Sub cases, default, output request, select the parameters, okay, apply, answer, apply. No analysis requested. Open Astral exercise 7 it is now. Run. It has been solved. Check F06 for error. Control F. Generally, you won't find errors in bar cases. There is no error. Let me attach the result. Access results. Select result file. Apply and attach result file. Now you can check for displacement translational. So 1.85 into 10 to the power minus 8, but the load is too less, so displacement is very negligible. You can write this image. Then you can also check the stress tensor, strain tensor, stress tensor. So this is the stress value, 1.67 into 10 to the power 4. You can write this image also. Similarly, you can check for strain. Very negligible again. Images. Thanks for watching.